Hello, expert channel audience. Now we meet Mr. Mohamed from France. Mohamed Rochdi, he is the president of education, high school, high education in France, all university system of education. He will introduce himself and talk about the education in France.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mohamed Rochdi. I'm Dr. Mohamed Rochdi. I'm the attaché for academic and scientific cooperation here in Doha at the Embassy of France. I came a few days ago, and my job is to promote higher education research in France and to try to enhance the cooperation in those fields between Qatar and France, between academics, the researchers, between our countries.
My question, Dr. Muhammad, how about the scholarship, student scholarship in France? Anybody can take scholarship or this for somebody else?
For the scholarships in France for the undergraduate studies, there are very few programs for scholarships, but we have programs for scholarships for master degrees and also finance for PhDs. But let me tell you something very important. In the public higher education system in France, in the public universities and public school of engineering and business, public business schools, the tuition is almost free. If you go to the public university, for example, when you start your studies at the first year in undergraduate program, it's less than 300 euros a year. Okay, so the student has to afford, his accommodation, his daily life money. But for the university, since the system is a solidarity system paid by the taxes, paid by the French people, it's almost free in our public universities.
That's nice. Nice. That means no need scholarship. If the fees is 300 euro by year, it's free. Sure, it's free.
Yeah, it's free, and the system is made to allow all the students coming in France, French and foreigners, to study, poor and rich. The system is done for that, to allow, people from poor families to have degrees at the university, undergraduate, postgraduate, PhDs, and to get, positions, interesting positions after that.
That's really global issue. And France running for global issue.
Yeah, it's a social issue to make higher education more democratic, more accessible to everybody coming to France.
And this also one issue to achieve by this for free education, like well-being and education above all. The education is important.
Yeah, education for all. But let me tell you one thing. Don't think the fact that it's free, that it's not a good level. The French universities are very strong ones. Our school of engineering are very strong ones all around the world. Business schools also. The students, when they got their degrees from French universities, they can follow their studies. They get positions all around the world, in North America, North Europe, Asia, everywhere. Because the level of the studies is very high.
Okay. All the university teach by French, or some university or subject teach by English or another language.
Of course, we are in France. Most of the spectrum of studies in our public universities and school is in French, at least at the undergraduate level. But let me tell you that more and more universities and schools are creating and pushing to create full degrees taught in English. Just one indicator, we have more than 1,600 degrees taught in English in France. Of course, most of them at the master degree level, but still, 1,600 degrees is something very important.
is very important. Thank you, Mr. Mohamed Rochdi, Mr. Mohamed Rochdi. And please, we need to know your position on embassy, France embassy. Your position exactly and your
Okay.
job there.
Okay. My job since few days is I'm the attaché for the academic and scientific cooperation at the Embassy of France, cooperation between Qatar and France. So I'm somehow the link between our two systems, the academic, research, innovation, try to push common joint projects to push mobility of the students Qatari to France to have more cooperation in research between Qatar and France. That's the main, goal, main action as an academic. Before I came, I was a professor. I'm a mathematician, academic. So I know the French system. I'm learning about the Qatari system, and I try to push those projects.
So our specialist and major is scientific mathematics. So you are the research people, you are understood people of the mind. And I believe this is coming in to improve and develop the relationship between France government and Qatar government.
Thank you very much. I hope that this will help.
Thank you.